previous day is taking a lot of resistance around the zone. So exactly like what happened on the previous day, you can very well notice that when the price opening, the market just dropped down and it took the resistance. This was the resistance, and after breaking the resistance, the market stayed higher. So the same thing happened yesterday. So after the opening, the market just consolidated, but within the average, the market was staying within the trend and within the average, and it straight away it started moving towards a major resistance zone of 432. So we have marked this 432 as a major resistance zone, and we can see how long the market is consolidated for breaking this resistance. See, for a long time the market was consolidating and the volatility is also very low, but still the market is not coming down. It is staying within the short-term moving average, and after breaking this resistance of 432, the market was staying there comfortably. Then it tried to again retest the support which was formed during the intraday trading session, and it took this it can comfortably break this 432. After taking a lot of support here, the market broke this 432 level, and you can very well see the market went away, straight away went and tested this 436, which is our expected target. The market went and tested the target and closed near the high. So on comparing the yesterday's market closing, we can very well say that the closing is near the market high. It is very completely dominated by the buyers. Right from the initial trading session, right from the price opening around the zone, the market was completely dominated by the buyers, and it has reached a considerable target also. So hope this week is going to be good gain for had been a good gain for copper traders. So if you are watching our presentation continuously, we have told many times after breaking this 422, this is the way, this is how you need to learn how to trade using support and resistance, and how to read the chart patterns. And today we are expecting copper to open around 434. This is the zone where we are expecting copper to open around 434 to 435. So after reaching a very after gaining a lot, the copper now it is expected to open around 434. So what we can do today is that, and before explaining about what we can do today, there are two things we need to explain. That there are two zones where we need to concentrate more on trading. One is when the market is consolidating. So you if you watch our previous presentation, you can see that the market was consolidating around 416 to 422 for a while, because of our last week also the market was consolidating a line for a long time around 416 to 422 without giving us a proper price direction. But this week, if you see that the market clearly break this 422. So whenever there is a consolidation, we need to put a lot of effort into picking the right position and trading with the proper direction. Once you pick a right position, then wait for the market to gain to reach a maximum momentum, to gain a maximum profit. But this is a one stage where we need to put a lot of effort. The other area where we need to concentrate more or is a position where we are into now. So once the price has gained a considerable amount, you can very well see that the market is moving from, you can just notice that the market after breaking this 422, the market has moved from 422 till 436. It is a 14-point gain in copper market. So after reaching a certain position, normally the market will consolidate just because of profit taking, unless until the trend is very strong. It cannot even if the trend is very strong, the market cannot move straight away. So there will be a consolidation after a considerable gain. So it is a 14-point gain in copper market. So the market will consolidate now to get a proper price direction. How the market will consolidate is that since this 422 was a major support, like 422, now the market should consider this 432 as a major support. It should form a support if we expect the price to, if we are expecting the price, if the trend continues, to test this 442. You know what is this 442, because from 442 the market dropped down. If you watch 2 weeks before, if you watch our presentation, you can see that from 442 the price dropped down till 408. If I'm correct, till 408, I think so. So now what we can do is that now after gaining a lot, the price will be trading in this zone. So what we need to put a lot of effort in protecting our profit. The first thing is that when the market is consolidating, we will put a lot of effort in taking a proper position to maximize our profit. The next thing is protecting our profit. If we have gained so much of profit, we need to protect that, because there might be a sort of drop down and there might be a consolidation that can happen. We can always expect this type of thing, particularly in copper. So what we expect for today and for the coming week is that if the price direction is very strong, the market can pick and break this 436, and it can very well test this 442, which is going to be a very major resistance for copper, because we know that from 442 the market has dropped terribly. So we need to concentrate more on this 442. We cannot take this 442 very easily. So in order to break this 442, the market needs a lot of momentum. So it cannot simply go and break just like what happened yesterday. It cannot go and break just like that. So we need a lot of momentum. So the momentum, we can get momentum only if there is a strong foundation. So the foundation can be in terms of 432 supports. So what we can expect is that the market can test this 432 support, and it can form a very good base around this 432 or 426. Again it can to break this 444. So if the trend continues, our possible targets are 442, which is going to be a very major resistance for copper trading. So today what we can expect is that we can expect copper to open around 434, and these are the support zones. We need to be very clear with the support zones. So support zones are 432, and you can go for a buy initially till 426. So having 425 as a stop loss. Now we have increased our stop loss from yesterday. We maintained a stop loss around 422. Now we have increased our stop loss to 426. So whenever the price is consolidating, our stop loss will also increase considerably, and there will be a point where the stop loss and the consolidation will be the same, like what happened around 422. So this is how we need to look into the various aspects of trading and trading strategies. So today we are expecting copper to continue its uptrend with a possible consolidation around the trading zone. And whenever the market is consolidating, the other major important thing we want to explain is that whenever the price is consolidating, after gaining a considerable profit, what we need to do is that one thing is protecting our profit, other thing is booking profit at regular intervals. So if you may go for an average around 434. If you have not taken entry also, you may go for an average around 434. The price can test 432, and whenever you are getting a minor profit, you need to book the profit at regular intervals rather than waiting for picking. For example, if you are buying at 434, rather than expecting from 434 for the price to climb till 442, it may climb, just we need to wait for a consolidation period. So rather than that, if the price is if you are going to average from 434 till 426, it is not going to be steep and a single drop. Whenever the price is hitting these major support zones, it's going to just give a bounce back of 2 points. So you need to book profit at the regular intervals. This is for clients who have already utilized the maximum profit potential. We need to book profit at regular intervals for 1, 2, 3 points, and just wait for the market to give us a second consolidation phase where we can pick it very clearly, like what happened around 422. So this is how we need to book profit at regular intervals. That we say that while averaging, booking profit at regular intervals can always help you to maximize your profit and also minimize your loss. So even if the price is dropping drastically, and if there is a breakdown, if something happened against us, so we cannot control that. So if you follow this type of trading strategies and discipline, you can always be in the safer side, and also you can maximize your profit. So this is what we are expecting. And today around 6 p.m. We have advanced GDP report in US. So let us wait for that also. That is a quite important news for all the commodities. But it was already been discounted. That is what our technical says. So whenever the news is coming, it is always discounted in the market. So let us see what's going to happen today. Today we are expecting some buying in copper. Follow the support and resistance level carefully, and keep watching us because on Saturday or Sunday we may be posting a few tips for technical analysis that can even guide you better than this. So let us see what's going to happen today in our trading session. Thanks for watching our video. Take care. Happy trading. Bye.